Hey guys, this is Chris and Kai's cooking show. I'm Chris and this is Kai. Tonight we are having a little fun just hanging out. We had dinner and we are going to make a snack. Kai just not here on the weekends, so we're getting to enjoy that. We also know that everybody works needs to like snack mixes, so that's where we're going with this. Got my biggest pot out because apparently it's a lot bigger than I expected, and I don't have any mixing bowls big enough to hold this. So we're going to start with one bag of Bugles. There you go. This is a Bugles mix. What we're going to do is pretty much almost like what we did with the Chex Mix, except a few different ingredients. We're doing the Boar's Night Out double garlic on both of them, and then one of them we're going to do the You're Behind barbecue green chili bacon rub. Well, there went that. And then the other one we're doing the ranch. So the one I'm going to show you guys is the ranch. I went ahead and mixed the two seasonings into this one just because this shaker is about gone, so why not make it easy? So yeah, we went with the one package of the Bugles. I've got one package goldfish. I went with Parmesan flavors. Pretty much use any flavor that you want to. Probably not the sweet ones. I mean, if you want to mix caramel and ranch, go ahead. You want to bite, dude? We had Baxter's tonight and they sent us home with a bunch of cheesecake. So I'm just saying that cheesecake's fire. Okay, what else? Basically, you want to use about 12 ounces of pretzels. This is a pretty healthy pretzel mix, so we're going to throw that in there. And then cashews. About 10 ounces of cashews. I went with a big container. Oh, I see. You want some more cheesecake? Dude's going to have his cheesecake going. It's also past his bedtime, so he's a little cranky. So we're going to use half of this. These are just cashews. You can use the whole ones, but from my experience, the whole ones are just a bunch of pieces that are falling apart anyway, so why waste your time? Alright, so what we want to do, basically you want to mix a packet of ranch seasoning. Instead of a packet of ranch seasoning, I'm using about 2/3 of this cup of ranch seasoning, and then 1/3 of a cup of the Boar's Night Out White Lightning. And we're going to shake this. So, see how this works. Get it nice and mixed up. Alright, let's give it a flavor check. I'm definitely going to add some more to that. Bit more of the ranch. Careful, careful, careful. Oh, you got it. All right, so we're gonna go with one more cup of seasoning. What we really want is to just get it all nice and soaked up in there. All right. Now we're adding 3/4 of a cup of canola oil. This is basically just going to help get that seasoning sticking to everything. This is not something we're going to cook, so unlike the Chex Mix, you don't need to go through that part of it. But you're definitely going to want to keep this in an airtight container since it's got some oil on it. Yeah, so that's some good stuff. What do you think, Chef Kai? Try a bite? Try a bite. Crunchy. definitely want to shake it up a little more. Oh yeah. So that's some pretty good stuff, guys. Pretty easy. I mean, they say it takes 15 minutes, but if you're good, you can probably do it in 5. Just want to shake it up really good. Find you some of the big bags to put it in. I might throw it in some little bags and leave them on tables at work, so that usually works out for people too. But that's it, guys. That's just a little quick video for you guys tonight. Except Kai needs some jammies and probably some bedtime. High five? Yeah. All right. All right, guys. Have a good night.